Welcome back, viewers. We're coming back with an extremely shocking story. Imagine you ordered a gaming equipment only to realize that you were the one who was played with. Well, that's exactly what happened to a couple in Bengaluru. A couple, believe it or not, found a snake. I repeat, a snake in the package they had ordered online from Amazon app. Yes, you heard that right. The couple, both software engineers, had ordered an Xbox, that's a controller online device, but they were extremely shocked, as one would expect to see a spectacle cobra inside their package. The venomous snake was fortunately stuck to the packaging tape and could not cause any harm. Neha is joining us live on the broadcast. Neha, this is bizarre to say the least, extremely shocking. A couple orders an Xbox online from Amazon, ends up getting a snake as delivery. Has the couple issued any statement, any word which has come from the side of Amazon yet?
Well, yes, Meghna, of course, it seems like Amazon has just responded to this, entire incident now, and we're being told, I'll just quickly read out their statement here. In fact, it goes on to say that Amazon works hard to provide customers with a safe and trustworthy shopping experience, and it is, of course, their commitment to go above and beyond to make things right for customers, and that this incident, in fact, is being investigated as a top priority. Of course, a lot of questions being raised here about how the snake there, managed to, of course, enter that parcel. Was it possibly from the warehouse where, the parcels were kept? Could it have been from, maybe that possibly close to the house there where the delivery executive had stopped? Maybe, where this, of course, snake found its way into the parcel. But truly, of course, something that's quite shocking here, that's left the couple also right now, baffled, and more importantly, in fact, that's left them in a state of shock. They have, of course, said that, this is something that's never really happened earlier, and so they would like to be moving consumer court for the sheer fact that the horror and, in fact, the goosebumps, of course, that they had after this entire incident, Amazon having put them on hold for 2.5 hours, an ordeal that they didn't have to undergo. Quite unfortunate. We'll really have to wait and see as to what happened in this incident and how that snake managed to find its way to the parcel.
Well, absolutely. It's extremely shocking to say the least. And the couple now mulling going to, of course, the customer court as well. Amazon at the moment has also, viewers, we'd like to say, has issued a statement. In fact,